guys, hey. I did a video, I think one of my videos, and I said, guys, I'll show you how you can stretch your hair. My hair looks a mess because we were at a weekend getaway, and when while we were there, I wanted to have my hair out, but when we came home, I think it was when we were out on Saturday, I think that's when I had my hair out, I think. So I got home, I was lazy. Normally when I go home, I just put my hair in braids, but I was so lazy. So my hair has been like this since Saturday, just in a puff like this, and I've been wearing a scarf. And yeah, so when we came back home from the weekend getaway, I had to go to work on Monday, and today is Tuesday. I had to go to a course. So I want to film tomorrow, and I thought, why not, because I'm not going to wash my hair today, and I thought, why not show you how I stretch my hair, because I talked about doing bantu knots, and I think some people, they don't know what bantu knots are, but I think that's what I'm going to do. My hair looks like this, looks a mess, so I'm going to do the bantu knots. I show you how I do it, and then we can see actually if it does work. But let me first clean up this hair, remove all the knots, and we can start doing the bantu knots. I can show you how I do it. All right, so guys, I start by wetting my hair, spritzing my hair with water, and I always use warm water because I have low porosity hair, so I don't use cold water. I use warm water, spray it all over my hair, because I never start detangling or pulling my hair when it's completely dry. So I make it wet, and then I try to separate and remove all the knots. Because I've had my hair in a puff for 3 days, it is so tangled, especially the ends, and that gives me a lot of work. So that's why I always have my hair in braids when I go to bed, because sleeping on this hair for 3 days is just causes a mess and can even cause breakage. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can stretch your hair without heat. I already have made a video showing you how I stretch my hair. Most of the time, I just put it in a twist and then wrap it up. But here, some other ways you can stretch your hair if you want it to be very stretched. I don't use all these methods, but I'm going to show you, and you can find which one is easy for you, and then you can use that. So guys, this is method number 1, and this is what I call the twist method. It's just like if you have natural hair and you know how to twist your hair, you just make a twist and then you wrap the twist around itself. You can see how I do that. Sometimes if you wrap the hair around itself, it will stay in place, but if it doesn't stay in place, just add on a hair band to it, and then it will just stay, it won't move anywhere. This method is called the bantu knot out, and the bantu knot out is going to leave your hair more straight than the twist, because the twist is going to leave a little bit of a curl, but the bantu knot out leaves the hair very straight, not really very straight, but more straight.
but I don't use this a lot, or even I don't think I've not used it in a long time, because I feel like it pulls the hair more. That's how I feel. I feel like it pulls the hair more, and I don't want any breakage on my hair or on my edges. And this is how I do it. Same way like the twist out, but with this you just have to roll the hair. This method is called the banding, or the hair banding, and I think it has many different names, but all it is using hair bands to tie around your hair. I don't like this method. I don't use it a lot because sometimes I feel like when I have to remove the bands from my hair, sometimes they get stuck in there and then I have to pull. I like to do things that are gentle to my hair. So you can really get a good stretch with the hair banding, but I don't use that. I never use that. But you can try it and see if you like it. So this method, guys, are better if you can do them in the daytime, because otherwise you have a hard time sleeping. I ended up doing all bantu, not out in the head, because that's why my viewers had requested. And when I had to go to bed, I removed the bantu knot out and just made a twist in the side of the head and in the back of my head, because I'm telling you, you will not be able to get any sleep if you go to sleep with these bantu knot outs. So it's best to do them like early morning. If you know you have an occasion, start early in the morning and do them, and then by the time you have to go, your hair will be stretched out.
So I'm going to add oil on my fingers before I take the hair out. But also to say, yesterday when I was doing this, I showed you like 3 different ways to do this stretching out your hair if you want that straight look. I don't like that straight look. I like the afro look, but we'll see how it goes. I've not done this in a long time, but in the night, because you cannot sleep on this, it's going to hurt you. So in the night I took this, and I think the 2 behind, and I made like a twist, and then I just tie them up, you know. Otherwise you cannot sleep with this. It's going to be painful. So when I woke up in the morning, I just did the one like when you, maybe I can show you, and I did that, and I feel like that stretches out very well, because if you do twist, it's going to leave some curls. When I took out the twist, it leaves some curls. If you don't want that, you're gonna get some curls. So when I woke up this morning, I did this kind. This makes your hair straight. See? Oh God, I hope my hair is not still wet. Yeah, I can do it again, and you can see what I did. I take this gently, guys. You don't break your hair. You don't want to break the hairline. You just twist it like that. Let me get a comb. Yeah. But for me, I don't like this straight look. But this one gives you that straight look. The twist one gives you like a curly look. Straight out here, but with a curly look. But this one is going to give you that straight look without, see? And then you just take it and tie it. But I wouldn't do this daily, because for me, I don't think this is good for the hair. This all twisting and pulling. This I just did it for you guys. Normally I just use I just braid my hair down. See, that's how you do it. And if you feel like you are not good to tuck it in, it says, you just add on elastic. Just add on elastic like that. So, but if you have an occasion like in the evening, you can wake up and just do this and let it stay in the hair the whole day, because otherwise sleeping with this, it's gonna give you, if you sleep with this, it's going to give you like a headache, I think. So this is really stressing up your hair. I don't like this look. I don't like this look. I like more fro look. But if you don't want to use like heat on your hair, this is what you can do. I'm gonna remove all this and then I'll be back, guys. Guys, this is what I mean if you do a twist. I think I forgot and I did a twist here. If you do a twist, it's going to give you a stretched out look, but with a wave, you know? You're gonna get a wave like that. If you like the wave, yeah. This was the mistake. I think yeah, you know, you're gonna get a wave like that. So that we were going for straight look. See how it gives me a wave. So, but yeah, all good. Guys, I don't think there is a big difference to my normal stretching out, the one where I use the braid, the twist. I think the only thing I'm realizing, when you roll the hair like that, it does not tangle a lot. So that's what I've liked about this method, the no twist method. My hair is not so tangled from down here. If you did twist your hair, it's gonna be tangled from down. This doesn't. Oh, that was not good. Don't pull that like that. So guys, that's it. If you want to stretch your hair, I think you should try different types. I don't know, I'm having a mixed feeling about this. I feel like I like the twist out better. Yeah, I don't know guys, what do you think? This is better than using heat on your hair, you know? So no, I don't use heat on my hair. I just do that. All right, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. And you try to. I need a haircut, but I hope this helped you. And yeah. Let's see. The hair is that long, but it's doing what it likes to do. Shrink. So yeah. I hope it helps, guys, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you like the makeup tutorial also, and see you in another video, right? Bye.